Hello and welcome to Rand Squawk Weekly Wrap video. So the key points of this week were the various central bank releases. However, as we did progress through the week, they did little to surprise markets, with the Bank of England and the ECB keeping their monetary policy on hold on both counts there. And as for the press conference from the ECB President Draghi, he did merely reiterate that the ECB does stand ready to buy the bonds of troubled sovereigns. And as for the FOMC September minutes, they merely outlined the rationale behind Bernanke's choice to adopt their open-ended bond buying programme, so no surprises there. So the main events did come on Friday, with the ECB sources commenting that the ECB is to buy bonds heavily for 1 to 2 months and then stand back and assess the damage as part of their OMT programme. So that is just to see if the sovereign governments are adhering to the aid programme measures. But the main event did come at 1:30 today, with the US unemployment rate ticking lower to multi-year lows of 7.8%. So adding some fire to President Obama's political campaign there. So we'll be looking out for any developments concerning this next week. But looking ahead to next week, a couple of things to look out for. We are awaiting China to return from their week-long golden holiday, so we may see some volumes pick up, particularly in the overnight Asian session. But elsewhere, Monday does see the official launch of the European Stability Mechanism. However, the topic of leveraging does still need to be resolved, which could push the size of the ESM beyond its current quantity of 500 billion euros. But elsewhere next week, all eyes will be on the Eurogroup meeting, where they're likely to continue the ongoing discussions regarding both Greece and Spain and their various debt crises, so looking out for any fallout from those meetings. But in terms of data releases, it is relatively light, as we have seen all the Tier 1 GDP releases over the past couple of weeks, so still some time to await that. However, next week we do see Alcoa kick off the Q3 earnings season in the US, so looking out for all the updates from the world's biggest companies, so looking forward to another busy period there. But in the meantime, that's all from me. Make sure you have a great weekend.